I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Android device is updated, Play Store and Google Play services are current, and you're signed into the Google account you'll use. Once done, open the Play Store and tap your profile icon. Then go to Payments and Subscriptions and choose Payment Methods. This is the first actionable step because adding a valid payment source is required to use Google Play Wallet for purchases. Make sure your billing address matches your card's address to avoid verification delays. Now you add and verify the payment method you'll use. Pick Add Payment Method and choose Credit/Debit, PayPal, Carrier Billing, or redeem a gift card. Enter card number, expiry, CVV, and billing address carefully. Mismatches cause declines. Once submitted, complete any verification, small authorization charge, or PayPal login to confirm ownership. After verification, set that method as default and enable biometric or PIN authentication, so purchases are authorized quickly. Finish by making a purchase to ensure the wallet works. Choose the app, game, or subscription, tap Buy, and confirm with your biometric or PIN. Once complete, check your receipt under Order History in Payments and Subscriptions to verify the charge. If something goes wrong, troubleshooting is simple. Clear the Play Store cache, remove and re-add the payment method, or contact your bank if a block occurred. Often a quick cache clear or re-verification resolves most errors and gets you back to buying immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.